Hello, welcome to Miss Craftslat's Lair. I am Barbie, and I am here with my two furry co-hosts. Welcome. This is the first episode of my Vlogmas. We'll see how I can do this year. First year of doing Vlogmas, and I'm not exactly sure everything I'm going to do. I am going to try to go for 14 days. Let's see if I can do it. So today is November 30th. It is my first day of recording for Vlogmas. You will be seeing this on December 1st. So I am saying it feels like it shouldn't be December, yet technically not December for me yet. Anyway, today is going to be an interesting day. We have not had any real amount of snow for a couple of years. Last season was kind of abysmal when it comes to the snowfall. Yet we just got hit with what they are calling, I guess, winter storm Bo. So, we missed out on Aurora. It was just west of us. We did get hit with Winter Storm Bo, and I am getting ready to go out with my dad to help him remove some snow for our seniors, or for some seniors. So that is what my afternoon is going to look like for now, but I will be back, have some way cool snow footage, but I will be back with some crafty stuff. I have crafty stuff planned. We have this week like 2 or 3 different festivals I think we might be going to for Christmas. We will see. We'll also see how well I am doing because, ouch. But other than that, welcome, and I hope that I do this okay. So let's get moving. All right, what you doing? Okay, so I am home. I am in jammies. I am exhausted. So I am going to spend the rest of my night working on the I-cord for my hoodie. So, yeah. Well, this is a step in the right direction. I went out and I did all the snow moving and got home, and while I was making dinner, the tree came upstairs. So maybe tonight it'll be put up. Okay, so today was not like a whole lot of stuff to do, and it probably was kind of boring. But thank you for hanging out with me today. I am going to go to bed. I am exhausted. So I am going to go to bed. I am going to edit this in the morning and Vlogmas episode 1 in done. I'll be back with another one tomorrow evening. Well, yeah, I will have another one filmed tomorrow evening to then edit the next morning. Anyway, until next time. Bye.